There was a time when the hills still sang without fear of echo, when laughter moved freely through the valleys, like wind that did not know it could be stopped. Then one day, silence arrived, not as peace, but as absence. It took names with it, soft names, strong names, names that once lived in morning light. And suddenly, the world felt smaller. But listen, even silence has limits, because memory does not disappear. It hides in the heartbeat. It breathes in the soil. It rises in the voices that refuse to forget. We are those voices, not broken, but rebuilt, not erased, but rewritten. We learned that even after the darkest night, morning still comes. And when it does not ask what was lost. It asks, what will you become now? So we chose to stand, to remember, to become something stronger than pain. Never again is not just spoken. It is lived. In how we see each other, in how we build again, in how we refuse to let silence win. Because now, the silence knows our names.